Hello guys, if you own a Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, then you know that this thing really needs a case.
Join my tribe. Smash subscribe.
Today we're going to look at two great cases which I think are very well priced. Case number one is this case here from Cruzerlite, which is called the Xperia 1 Mark II case, as you might imagine they name it. And this one here is with the carbon fiber design. So yeah, here's the case for you to see. And here is the phone inside the case. I'm just going to install it. And it's as simple as that.
What color?
This case is called the carbon coffee color. As far as I know, this case comes in 7 different color options. You have black, blue, red, carbon black, carbon blue, and carbon coffee. And the carbon refers to this kind of pattern that we have here.
What it made out of?
This case is made from TPU, which is thermoplastic polyurethane. It's a softer style case and it feels quite durable, if you ask me.
Why you like this case so much?
This carbon fiber texture design at the back is meant to prevent smudges. It has a fluid motion button design, which is this thing here. The idea of that is that apparently it's meant to allow you to feel the buttons more with more tactile feedback. So yeah, personally I think it works okay, but it definitely sounds better than it actually performs, I think. I found this button here, which is the Xperia camera button. You can half press it to put it into autofocus. With the case on, it's a little bit harder to get precision over the half press. However, the positive thing is the thumbprint reader here, it does work. So that's a big thing because a lot of other cases, they don't really work very well. This one works, I would say, 8 times or 9 times out of 10, which is quite, I think, above average. It has a lay on the table design, which basically means that it protects the phone when you place the phone screen side down on the table.
Give me price.
Now, how much did this case cost me? It cost me £7.80, which I bought from Amazon. I got it up with Prime delivery and the delivery was included. So I got it within 1 day. And I don't think that's quite a good price for a case, I think, especially one with decent design and good durability like this one.
What your favorite thing about case?
So far, I prefer this case to the other TPU cases that you get that are clear, because I found that TPU cases, the clear ones, they tend to get stained after a few months and they just don't look very good. And then you've got to buy another one. So yeah, this provides you the protection, but it doesn't show any dirt. It doesn't show any stains. Now, case number 2 is this case here called the fitBAG. If you treat your phone with a lot of care and you don't find yourself in dangerous situations very often, I think this fitBAG case pouch might be a good idea for you. At the moment, it's my case of choice. The fitBAG is basically just a leather pouch which you put your phone in, just like this. And it's as simple as that. Take it out. Simple as that. It's kind of like the iPod socks that we used to have back in the mid-2000s. I don't know if anyone remembers that. Anybody used to own an iPod mini? Give me a thumbs up. Put it in the comments below.
What your favorite thing about case?
Now, the number one reason that I like this case is because it protects your phone from minor scratches and minor impacts in your pocket. And you get to use your phone as intended, which was designed by Sony for a very specific purpose. You get to see your flagship phone, lovely design every single day. So I think that's a real plus.
What it made out of?
The case is also made out of a very fine textured lambskin Napa leather, which is the kind of the expensive grade of leather. And it feels very soft to the touch and it smells great as well. By the way, when the case first arrived, it was a little bit tight, but over time it softened up and now the phone goes in and out very easily. Inside the pouch, you have a microfiber lining. The point of that is when you put the phone in and out of the case, it will clean your phone. The whole phone's made out of glass, so it removes the smudges and all the dirt from your screen, which I think mostly works very well.
Where case made?
I believe the fitBAG is made in Germany, When I ordered this, it took about 2 weeks or just over 2 weeks for them to send this to me. Another great thing about this is there's lots of different designs to pick from obviously this Napa leather to Alcantara to zebra designs apparently. On the Amazon website, it shows 17 different designs, so there's something for everyone. I was a little bit boring. I bought my one in the standard color, which is the black Napa leather, and they call this, what do they call this? They call it Beat Black color.
Give me price.
I paid £15.90 for it, plus £1.80 delivery. Overall, I think it's quite a good price. Considering it's real leather and all that sort of stuff, I think it's appropriate.
Who this case for?
So this is quite an unconventional case. It took me a while to track this case down. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would recommend it. If you're the type of person that's super careful with the phone anyway, I'd recommend the fitBAG. If you drop your phone a lot, then I wouldn't recommend the fitBAG. I would go for the Cruzerlite instead. I think the Cruzerlite's going to offer more impact protection. My go-to case is this one because I've had this phone since mid-December. It's been 1.5 months now since I had this phone, and I haven't dropped it once yet, touch wood. And that means I can't really tell you how good the impact protection is of this fitBAG, and I'm not really willing to test it at this stage. But if you're just the type of person that puts the phone inside your jeans pocket, you don't really touch your phone that much, this case is fine. So I can't stress this enough. The best thing about this case here is that you get to use your phone properly. Just be careful when you use it. All the functions work perfectly. The thumbprint reader, the volume rocker thing here, the volume buttons, and the camera button with the half press autofocus in particular. That's one of the reasons I bought the phone. I like that. With other cases, it doesn't really work very well. Anyway, guys, if you like Sony phones, if you like tech, if you like unbiased reviews, subscribe, hit like, comment. I'll see you next time.
Join my tribe. Smash subscribe.